10 million pesos worth of stocks. Naubos ko yun within 1 month.
Do you eat much?
Sarap ang bawal.
Ano pang bawal ang masarap?
Ha?
Sige, gusto mo yakapsul ulit eh.
Paano mo na zone ka? Like, talagang may, nakakabawas ng confidence ba yun sa guys?
17 million,
17 million,
followers.
wow.
Whenever you're selling, people buy at the best one.
Ito mo yung kotse niya, naka-BMW na tutor ngayon. Tapos naka-Tesla. So,
Ako nga naka-grab lang.
pwede ka naman sumakay sa akin parati. Sa kita eh.
Para hindaan namin eh.
Hi guys, it's the Trigger Man right here at Kwento ni Juan. Kwento ni Juan is actually about life stories of people who we can relate to, who will inspire us, who will motivate us, and these people are just ordinary people, just like us. So today, as usual, I am with my beautiful Francesca.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Francesca at kasama ko ngayon si Trigger Man. Kakagaling ko lang sa sakit pero nilaban ko, pinagaling mo yata ako last time eh.
I would be more than glad to
kayo yung naging gamot ko eh. Nakakuha ko ng mga yakapsul.
Bakit? Yakapsul? Ay, sige, gusto mo yakapsul ulit eh. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're so glad to have this guy to provide you, the listeners, with inspiring and informative narrative of this dude who's been with me for quite some time. Off and on kami nito. And I'm so proud of this guy because nung nag-umpisa sa akin to, nagfa-fly siya sa akin. Hindi aeroplano Hindi aeroplano, but he used to do work for me flying drones. That's how he sort of started with me. But later on, he kept on telling me, Sir Trigger Man, meron tayong rocket. But of course, sabi ko, parang hindi ako dyan eh. Without further ado, let me introduce to you the guy who's a TikTok sensation, who's got 100 million na ba?
17
million followers. And he has overcome so many things in life, but he is on top. Ladies and gentlemen, James Afante.
Welcome, James.
Lahat yan.
So, hi guys, it's James Afante here. So, also known as Kuya James and James 3.0. So, hello po. Very, very thankful. And Sir Trigger pala paalam.
Itong si James, I was thinking of sino ang i-guest, no? So yesterday, sabi ni Jeff sa akin, Sir, can we come up with So the name that stuck to me was you actually. So I gave him a phone call, one phone call. And he said, you know how busy this guy is? Saan ka nga pupunta mamaya? May
Malaysia. After
diba?
here,
Mamaya na yun?
I'll prepare a flight Malaysia na. Yeah.
Oh my
Super busy,
gosh.
but Sir Milo, Sir Trigger Man, malakas sa akin.
Bakit nga ba ako malakas sa'yo?
Tawag ko po sa kanya Sir Milo. So, ngayon ko lang actually nalaman na yun pala ang IGN mo, Sir Trigger Man. So, when I was around 19 years old, I was working with Sir Milo sa company niya Mixonic as a freelance drone pilot for ABS and GMA teleserye shows and even events. So yung mga New Year events, yung mga big events ng ABS that time, ako yung pinapadala ni Sir Milo noon. And
Magkano yung sweldo noon? Magkano binabayad ko
pinapasoro na ako ni Sir Milo noon, 7.5 per day.
Oh,
7.5 per day. Tsaka ba nagsimula kay Sir Milo?
Yes. So,
Sa pag-shoot?
Ito yung first ever ko parang official work. Na lumalabas ako for ibang tao. But super passion ko kasi talaga yung production. And one of the main reasons bakit ako naging drone pilot, para malaman mo Sir Milo, ngayon mo na malalaman, pangarap ko kasi maging piloto. At pangarap ko rin maging cameraman.
Okay.
So pag pinagsama mo,
drone
pilot siya.
Okay.
Wise,
So,
wise.
kaya ako naging drone pilot noong time na yun. And then, yun, nakuha ko ni Sir Milo. I'm very happy kasi pinagkatiwalaan niya ako sa mga shows niya. And I did my best.
Alam mo, nabilib din ako dito eh. Because initially, when I gave him sa ABS-CBN, Totoy eh. Sabi sa akin.
Ilang taon?
No, talagang mukhang Totoy. He did. Mukha pa kang Totoy hanggang, but he was more Totoy before. Sabi sa akin ng mga ilang taon na to? 15? Bakit mo pinapasama to dito, underage?
Oh my God.
Oo, hindi, talaga. And I had to validate. Sabi ko, hindi, magaling yan. And when they really saw him, ibang klaseng mag-shoot to.
Pero ilang taon siya noon?
I was 18, 19 eh. Somewhere
18
dito sa below 20.
Oo. And the production that we were in were big-time
Talagang
production
malaki.
already. Malalaki na, di ba? Malalaki na. Sino yung mga artist? Julia Montes.
Mga major
major
stars
production,
talaga.
oo. And later on, I found out, naging busy na ako, naging busy siya. Kinukuha na siya sa mga pelikula. Hindi ko na makuha, hindi ko na ma-reach nga later on. Ganon.
So basically ba, ikaw yung parang tingin mo ba, siya ba yung unang nagtiwala sa'yo? Kasi maraming nagka-question na bata pa to.
Technically,
Bakit?
yes. Naalala ko, tinatawagan ako ni Sir Milo na, James, question ka dyan. Ang bata mo daw, may experience ka ba? Well, totoo yan.
Like, marunong ka ba talaga?
Even in real
Ganon.
life, pinatawag pa ako, nakalimutan ko sinong director yun. Pinatawag niya ako sa tent. Tinanong niya, may experience ba daw ako? Harap-harapan, nakakahiya.
Oh my.
You know, that kind of. But of course, you know, directors have to question that dahil it's the quality of but he proved them right. In fact, from that time on, siya na talaga yung kinukuha up to the time na hindi na nga nagsushooting. Siya pa rin ang hinahanap. And naging popular din siya sa shoot parate. And congratulations, you do your work well. How did you, as many people already recognize you, 17 million is not easy. Easy ba yun?
500K nga lang ako sa TikTok. 17M for a guy, mas mahirap makakuha ng followers ang lalaki.
First question, paano mo nagawa yung 17 million? Can we still do that? I mean, is it achievable at nowadays or did you...
And gaano katagal yan ma-achieve yung ganyan kadaming followers?
Yeah, so first and foremost, never ko naman kasi talagang tinarget na maging parang malaking influencer or like maging celebrity sa Pilipinas. I was just doing everything to
Make money?
Make my business work, mabenta ko yung product na binibenta ko.
Sabihin mo nga sa kanila, yung binebenta mo dati. Dapat magka-partner nga kami nito I was in radio, Neo Retro, di ba? 105.9. Pupuntahan niya ako, sir, ito, giveaway pa nga namin sa radyo yun di ba? Giveaway namin sa radyo. Sabihin ko, tumawag sa niya. And he was really very diligent and passionate with his work, selling. Kaya nakita ko yung passion niya dun sa trabaho.
Nag-start ako dati. I was very invested sa mundo ng e-commerce. So particularly selling online. So ang bansag pa nga sa akin nung dati is online seller. Yun yung tawag sa amin dati. Like online seller lang. Benta ako from shoe cleaners, from electronics like earphones. Nagbenta ako ng even mga t-shirts, mga sabon.
Sabon?
Kung ano-ano mga pinapasok ko talaga. Even mga relo na G-Shock. Nagbenta ako ng mga ganun.
Gaano katagal yun?
I started selling when I was 14 years old.
Okay.
So I've been a salesman since then until now.
When was the turning point into you being able to be on the big time? I mean, when was the turning point doon?
Nung pagkatapos ko sa Sir Milo,
Talaga?
nung nag-pandemic.
Pandemic.
Pumutok kasi yung e-commerce nun sa buong Pilipinas.
Kaya nobody was
able to go out.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody's forced to buy online. Imagine mo yung stocks ko nun, 10 million pesos worth of stocks. Naubos ko yun within 1 month. And wala na akong mabenta dahil sa sobrang lakas ng e-commerce ko nung time na yun.
Wow.
So when you initially, how much did you start out with?
When I was 17, doon ako nagsimulang mag-capital ng sarili ko I started with 1,000 pesos only. 1,000 pesos.
With what product yung pinakauna?
I have an online business that time na magpo-provide kami ng shoe cleaning service. So yung 1,000 pesos, pinambili ko siya ng shoe cleaner. Tsaka ng brush. So yung shoe cleaner tsaka yung brush na yun, naging 2 cleaner, naging 3 cleaner siya, hanggang sa dumami siya ng dumami. And over time, nagamit ko yung capital na yun pang-expand sa mga ibang product.
I think I read something or I came across something like yung claim to fame mo is about sapatos. Tama ba yun?
Nag-start po ako sa social media na ginagamit ko na yung name ko. Starting in the shoes industry, sneakers industry, shoe cleaning.
Shoe cleaning.
Nag-shoe cleaning muna ako and then later on, yung mga customers ko, naghahanap sila, baka may shoe cleaner ka. So, kaya gumawa ako ng way na makagawa ko ng shoe cleaner.
Gumawa ka ng shoe cleaner mo.
Gumawa
Yung
ako ng
produkto
sarili.
mismo.
Yes.
Pero naglinis ka ba ng sapatos? Naglinis ka rin ng sapatos?
Yes. I started 1-man team. Ako yung naglilinis, ako yung nag-deliver, ako yung nag-picture, ako yung nag-post, ako yung nag-reply. Lahat
Magkano yun?
That time, that was 250 pesos per shoes. Para linisin ko siya.
When did you get your first million?
I earned my first million. Nung nag-start ako ng 14, alam ko na sa sarili ko na gusto ko talagang maging milyonaryo. Everybody...
How old were you then?
14,
when you wanted to be a millionaire.
Wanted to be a
So when
millionaire.
did you get your first million?
I got it 5 years after. Which
5
is 19
years after.
old.
Was that tama ba sa timing mo o
Tama siya.
Tama
Yun talaga yung goal ko. Before 20.
before 20?
I was actually somehow pressured noong time na yun. Hindi na ako masyadong natutulog. At was the time also nag-drone din ako sa'yo, pinagsasabay ko yung lahat. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko yung expenses ko. So, malalaman mo na ngayon yung personal life ko. Yung expenses ko personal, pambayad ko sa kotse, is kinukuha ko sa personal kong trabaho.
Kinukwento mo yun sa akin. Sir Milo, marami akong binabayaran. May kotse akong binili, di ba?
Yun,
Kwento mo
yun,
sa akin.
alam mo yun,
Yeah.
yung kotse.
Oo.
Wala pa akong kotse na nag-start ako eh. Tapos masakay pa ako sa L300 mo.
Tama.
Tapos, so sabi ko, gusto ko yung business ko, hindi ko na siya kukuhaan ng income para lumaki siya lumaki. And that was me able to achieve the first million when I was 19. Sobrang proud ko noon kasi pinagmalaki ko pa sa magulang ko yun na, look, I'm 1 million na ako.
What about you? When did you get your first million?
I think when I was 19 or 20.
19 or 20?
19 or 20.
Did you, paano mo nanalo ka ba sa sweepstakes?
Yes, nanalo ako sa China, sa ibang bansa. I represented the Philippines that time.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
And then what did you do with your 1 million?
Actually, gusto ko nga maging katulad niya, business-minded.
Okay.
So, dahil ako yung breadwinner sa family, napupunta rin yung money ko sa expenses sa family ko.
Aren't you business-minded?
Yung mind ko nasa business, I want to be this, I want to have this. Pero I think, para sa akin, kulang pa yung knowledge ko at gustong-gusto ko matuto. Kaya sobrang interested ako makinig sa storya niya.
What is being business-minded? Sige.
For me, being business-minded is it's a commitment. When you're a businessman, you need to think like a businessman. So, you always need to understand na hindi na ikaw yung James na dati. Like, imagine mo meron kang suit right now. When you're wearing a suit, you act differently, right? Diba? When you're wearing a t-shirt, you act differently.
You have different hats.
You're different hats eh. When you're a businessman, you act differently as a whole na sa buhay mo. Like yung yung decisions making mo sa pamilya, yung decision making mo sa mga lakad mo, yung decision making mo sa tulog mo, yung pagiging mabait mo, masungit mo, kailangan lahat yun in favor of your business. Kasi if you're a businessman, kaya ka tinawag na businessman, you're doing everything for the benefit of your business.
Correct. Yung directions mo is geared towards that. Yun nga lang, pag bata ka pa, you're discerning your decision factors, hindi pa ganun ka You have so many ideas. As you grow older, as you make mistakes, you learn You have to learn from these mistakes, di ba? From those mistakes, malalaman mo, mafi-filter mo, mali ko pala to. So dapat sa next time, hindi ko gagawin to. Along the way, making mistake is not really bad For as long as you pick up, makita
Ako yan,
mo doon.
medyo takot ako magkamali. Parang,
Don't be afraid to
Parang
Yeah,
siguro
don't
sa
be
beauty queen, naka-mindset kasi na dapat perfect ka dito, perfect ka dyan. Kaya sabi ko, gusto ko talaga mag-TikTok shop, magbenta. Pero natatakot ako, baka hindi pala yung naiisip ko yung ma-achieve ko.
I'm pretty sure that
Natakot ako
with
mag-fail or
him,
magkamali.
hindi rin perfect He had faltered, nag-stumble din siya, nag-fail. You fail along the way, but you pick up yourself. In so many businessmen, hindi naman all the time panalo yung mga yan Maraming natatalo. Ang importante is you pick up yourself and then lalaban ka naman on another day, on another venture.
You fail fast.
Di ba?
Fail fast.
Yun
Kung papalpak ka, bilisan mo na.
Di ba? Ganun ang
Tapusin
mo.
mo na siya agad.
Pwede ba itanong ano yung mga failures tingin mo sa pagiging businessman mo?
Actually, mas marami akong failures sa buhay.
Is the personal life affecting your being a businessman?
Yes, super. Kasi yung lahat ng tao at the end of the day may emotions Yung emotions, most of the time nakaka-apekto talaga siya sa isang
Decision
businessman.
making.
So, sa mga decision making natin. So, as much as possible when I live my life, I always make sure na tama lahat. Yung due diligence ko, in-exert ko. Let's say, meron kang magiging bagong kaibigan. So, hindi naman ako sa magiging selfish, pero hindi naman ako sa pagiging mapili sa kaibigan. But pinipili ko sino yung mga nagiging kakilala ko, sino yung mga kanino ako nag-i-spend ng time. Nag-i-spend ako ng mga time dun sa mga tao na feeling ko na pwede ko maging business partner maybe 1 year from now, maybe 2 years from now. So, yun. For example, like even with Sir Milo, I decided to work with Sir Milo 5 years ago. And guess what? We're here. Kung di ako nag-work with Sir Milo, wala ako dito.
In terms of personal love life, how are you?
Diyan ako mahina.
Feeling ko parang mahihain ka, no?
Torpe ako.
Torpe? Pareho
Torpe
tayo.
Yun.
Pareho
Kaya
tayo.
tayo nagkasundo.
Di ba kami halatang torpe? Torpe ako
Parang iba yung reaction ng mga
Parang yung last time kasi sa practice interview namin, torpe ka pa pala dun.
Lalo na kung hindi ako...
Anim yung nanay ba?
Sabi ko sa'yo, victim ako di ba? Ayun. Niwanan nga lahat ako eh.
Ang dami mong minahal para maging torpe ka pa.
Oh, torpe nga. Bakit hindi ba pwedeng maging torpe at magka-pitong anak?
Oh my God.
Grabe, torpe 7 yung alam.
Yun na pala yung torpe, bagong torpe.
Solo ko.
Super torpe.
Solo.
Pipe.
So, hindi. Nagka-girlfriend ka na.
Yes, in my life, I have 3 girlfriends.
At the same time?
No.
Uy.
No.
Iba talaga yung treatment ko pag girlfriend ko talaga.
Okay, yung girlfriend mo ba, nung na-stress ka ba nila, nakapigil ba yun sa pag-grow mo? Yung totoo
May ganun, yes.
Di ba?
That's also the reason bakit yung latest kong ex, which is nag-break kami 1.5 year ago. Dahil yun sa career ko sa TikTok. Kasi medyo nakaka-burden siya sa career ko. So,
Did you say goodbye? Did she say goodbye?
medyo hindi naging maganda yung ending namin. So,
Pero mabigat, ano? When
mabigat
you
siya.
have, kaya nga eh, you know, in when you have a baggage and it's mabigat, you need to drop it eh. Ako, ganun. Although, mahirap, di ba?
Pero, ano yun, like, mas pinilin mo yung business kesa sa mahal mo?
So, yung girlfriend ko na to, like ex ko pala, ever since nag-start kami, which is around 8 years ago na yun, 7 years kasi kami. So, sinabi ko na talaga sa kanya na, pag naging boyfriend mo ako, hindi ako yung same boyfriend na nakikilala mo sa high school. So, may priorities talaga ako sa buhay. And secondary ka. So, I will always prioritize.
Wait. Ikaw, pag sinabi sa'yo secondary ka, ano?
Hala?
Ano reaction mo? Sige. Ikaw kuno yung girlfriend niya. Pag sinabi niya sa'yo secondary ka, ano reaction mo doon?
Ayaw mo na sa akin.
Parang, siguro
Parang sinampal
huwag
ka
mo na
ba?
lang siguro sabihin. Hindi, syempre yung mga babae gusto nila ma-feel na sila yung priority sa buhay mo. Na kahit eto ka, businessman ka, or malaki kang tao, na ako pa rin yung importante para sa'yo.
Hindi nyo naiintindihan na...
Hindi nila naiintindihan.
Hindi nila naiintindihan, ano? You
Ngayon
should come
na
first.
open ako, kaya nga tinanong ko kanina
Sige,
na...
More.
Tinanong ko kanina, wait, mas pinili mo yung business kesa ipaglaban yung love na to, or mag-adjust, or...
Sige.
Kasi most women live in the moment the present,
True,
diba?
true.
We guys, we think forward eh. We think, I mean, me ikaw siguro ganun ka.
Ano
Di
ko
ba?
love na love mo, okay lang sa'yo na eto matigil to, wag lang tong part na to ng buhay ko, yung career ko.
Kasi you have to weigh things di ba? Between your career, your business, and itong mafe-feel mo naman kung ito ang feeling ko, kung naiintindihan ng babae yung priorities mo, he will support you. I think the woman that you should have should support his man, a businessman. If you're not supported, I think you have to drop it. Sorry for that. Masyadong Pero ako, ganun ako, hindi rin ako masuportahan ng girlfriend ko.
Anong support ba yung hinahanap nyo? Like, sa time, na bigyan kayo ng time nyo?
Understand that we have an objective and that we want to reach this objective. But if the woman does not support us in terms of naiintindihan kung bakit kami late na ganito or hindi kami makapag-date because of this.
Kasi matampuhin kami, like nasasaktan kami
Yes.
kapag,
Oo.
hala,
The
anniversary,
support-
busy ka today.
Exactly. So this one really, sa lalaki kasi, yung complaint yung maliit is magnified inside our heads It really pulls us back.
Talaga?
Di ba?
True,
It
true,
really
true,
pulls us back and it bothers us. So instead na pag may make kami ng 10 million, nagiging 1,000 na lang kasi bothered kami. Because we think about you also.
So, ano naman pala, talagang, yung daman nyo naman yung mga
Mag-add ako.
girlfriend
So
nyo.
the reason bakit ko siya ginagawa, it's because I, as a person, alam ko sa sarili ko kung paano ko ma-achieve yung magandang buhay na gusto kong i-build para sa amin dalawa. And hindi ko siya ma-achieve kung siya yung uunahin ko. So technically, lahat naman talaga ng ginagawa ko is para sa amin dalawa. It's just that, na right now, at this very moment, yun nga na problema talaga sa ibang girls, I'm not generalizing lahat, but they live at the moment They judge everything at the moment.
Actually.
So, hindi nila ginajudge. Iniisip nila na parang pag sinasabi ng mga lalaki yun, is sinasabi nila parang,
Di mo
papalusot
kamahal.
lang kami.
you take us for granted. Oo.
Oo.
Di mo kami binavalue.
Hindi
Kung
na
ibang
yata ako
lalaki,
importante sa'yo.
Yes.
Ganon.
Pero, you would understand bakit kami nagtatrabaho ng matindi? Like, bakit kami we don't sleep. Like, do you think na gusto namin na hindi mabigyan ng time na kasama ka or kasama yung girlfriend mo?
We do this because we want to share it with you. Kanino pa ba namin nagkukwento
Yung magandang buhay.
Yeah.
Paano kapag nagkikrave ako ngayon ng presence mo eh?
There's always a certain recipe of what we call sacrifice. Or
Delayed
parang
gratification.
Yeah. So not because you want it now, you get it now. Sometimes you need
Diba?
to wait.
Like if you
Hala, natututo ako. Naiyak ako. Char. Kasi ako, clingy kasi ako.
You know, one thing that you have to remember, I apply this to me and to my kids. Sometimes may bagong telepono dyan. Lalo na yung mga binebenta nito. Mga iPhone.
Sorry na.
Pengi nga.
And, you know, yung mga iba dyan, meron na silang cellphone, umaandar pa, pero kung may bago, gusto nila yung bago, and you'll spend your money there. Ako, hindi ako ganon eh. Ikaw ba ganon? Hindi, ano?
Sa akin,
Unless
iba siya.
there's a purpose for it.
No, there's a purpose.
Unless there's a purpose for it, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll buy it. But for as long as it works, I would delay delayed gratification. Saka ako napasasaya ng sarili ko. Save muna ako for the rainy day kung kailan kailangan. That's delayed gratification is an integral aspect of getting rich also. Instead of satisfying your cravings now, siguro if you can put it aside for later, you will grow. That's part of being a business person also.
Kahit sa relationship. Kasi sa relationship nyo to kinonek. Delayed
Yes,
gratification.
yes.
Oo.
Like for me, ang dream ko is hindi yumaman specifically. Ang dream ko is makuha ko yung tinatawag na time freedom. Na gusto ko by the age of 30, I can do whatever I really want. Like if I decide na, o tara, magbakasyon tayo 30 days, isang buwan, wala tayong gagawin, bakasyon lang tayo together. I can assure my family or my partner na sa kanya ako 30 days. And hindi ko magagawa yon kung right now, hihimay-himayin ko yung sarili ko na, okay, half tayo ganito, half tayo ganito, half tayo ganyan. So, that's what I believe. Again, yun yung vision ko, yun yung dream ko. And
So yung hanap nyo sa partner is yung maintindihan talaga yung oras.
yes. If only they could see what we see, maintindihan nila yung buong painting talaga.
Yeah.
Kung saan siya from end to end.
But they're a different creature eh. They
Yun nga
see
eh.
different from us.
We're from
eh.
Mars, Venus, di ba? Magkaiba talaga yung utak ng babae at
It's so different
lalaki.
eh. So, when this boyfriend of yours does this, iiwanan mo ba? O giniwa mo na?
Ibili ko ginawa niya
Kapag
na.
busy siya, hindi, yung nagtatampo talaga ako nun.
Oh.
Feeling ko, yun nga, nababawasan yung love niya sa akin. Kasi sa una, parang, wow, ako priority wow. Tapos, hala, bakit masuunahin mo na yung ibang tao kaysa sa akin? May meeting ka, akala ko ano muna tayo.
Well, you need to understand
Pero ngayon, yan yung inaano ko
For you to
talaga.
understand that, be a business person. And then yung boyfriend mo naman na maghahanap ng oras mo.
And you have to really
Balikan
have
naman
your
kayo.
own life. Yun kasi parang na-focus lang ako sa kanya nun eh. Siya ang dami niya ginagawa ko, inaantay ko lang siya. So parang naiinis ako kasi...
Dapat meron ka rin ginagawa.
Yun
Kasi
nga.
yung pagiging, yung boring and the time, that idle time, is something na papatay sa relasyon nyo.
That's true.
Diba?
Yung idle time is very, it kills relationships.
Yeah.
It kills
So, you
relationships.
need to be busy also. Huwag busy sa ibang lalaki.
Siyempre.
Busy sa ibang bagay na productive eh. Going back to making money. So, nung nag 1 million ka na, ano nang naisip mo nun gawin?
Parang nung na-achieve ko siya, parang may satisfaction at the same time question sa mind ko. Na what's next?
Oh, yeah.
Parang okay, nakuha ko siya, pero doon ko na-feel na mas mahirap pala pag na-achieve mo na siya kasi you need to maintain. Now, what's my next goal? So, doon ko na-realize na yung money pala somehow is just a number. Regardless kung magkano kitain mo, it will always still depend kung ano yung goals mo. So, that time nag-determine na ako na sabi ko, okay, although may 1 million pesos ako, pero I can buy pretty much everything that a 19-year-old guy would want. And feeling ko, let's say, para ako may 10 million ng time na yon, ganun yung pakiramdam.
How old are you now?
I'm 25.
How rich are you now?
I'm just...
I was richer than
Mas
you
mayaman ka pa
before.
rin po sa akin. Mas mayaman ka pa rin po sa
Mas
akin.
mayaman ka sa akin. Kita mo yung kotse niya, naka BMW na two-door ngayon. Tapos naka Tesla.
Naka-Tesla?
Order wala.
Ako naka BYD lang ako.
Lang.
Di ba?
Lang.
So,
Ako nga, naka-grab lang. Ba yan?
pwede ka naman sumakay sa akin parati. Pare.
Uy, lang siya yung papasay eh. Para yung daan namin eh.
Ayun, pare, ayan ha. Pwede mo siyang ihatid mamaya.
Hello,
Libre
my
ba yan?
fries. Thank you.
Libre. Do you eat much? I mean, or
Unhealthy ako kumain. Hindi ako kumakain ng healthy food.
bakit?
Hindi. Gusto ko ganyan.
Kaya sakitin ka eh.
Hindi ko, dyan ako nasasatisfy eh. Masarap ang bawal.
Masarap ang bawal. Ano pang bawal ang masarap?
Ha? Chocolate!
How young are you?
I'm 26.
Are you, may current relationship ka ba ngayon?
Wala.
Bakit?
Feeling ko, yun nga. Kailangan ko
Ganun
maging
na.
understanding.
So how much money do you have in your wallet? No, in the bank now. How much you're saving?
Nasa million naman.
Oh, nasa million.
Pero for sure, mas mayaman kayong dalawa.
So how much do you want to make? You're now 26. When you're 30, ano ambition mo? What's your goal at 26?
At 26,
Ano, at 30?
at 30, may sarili na akong bahay, kotse, may freedom na rin sa money, and partner.
Yeah, so how do you intend to get there? Do you have a plan already?
May plan ako mag-start ng TikTok business.
Isn't it too late to start a TikTok
Yun
business?
It's
nga
not too late. It's not too late. You just need the right direction.
Kasi nakita ko ang dami talagang yumaman dyan.
Sobra.
And mahilig ako magbenta nung grade school ako. Gumagawa ako ng ribbons sa ulo. Mahilig kasi ako doon. So ako nagtatahi. Ako nag-glue stick para magdikit. Ako bumibili sa mga tiyangge. And then bebenta ko sa mga classmate ko tsaka sa buong school. Hanggat sa ginaya na rin ng mga ibang class. Nagkaroon ako ng
So ano advice
kalaban
mo
nun.
sa kanya? Paano ang gagawin niya? I mean, she's 26. She wants to get probably
To sell.
20 million, 30 million by 30.
Yeah.
What should she do? She likes to do TikTok, or is there any other? Is she, yung mention ka sa akin, cryptocurrency, nag-crypto na rin siya kanina.
nag-crypto din ako. Pero
And sinabi mo rin, ayaw mo na sa crypto.
Ayoko na sa
Bakit ayaw mo na sa TikTok?
pabili yata ako dyan. May nabili akong ganyan sa TikTok dati.
Baka nadali kita dati.
May nabili ako.
You cannot be the best in one and hindi ka matatandaan ng tao.
Paano niyang nag-gain yun?
Sana may mag-alaga din sa akin.
Bata ka pa, kayang-kaya mo pa
Parang
yan.
give ako ng give. Sana akin. Paano ka nagka-product na ganyan na 4 pesos lang siya?
I want to be the #1 TikTok live seller. Ginol ko siya.
Wow.
Dinarap ko lahat yun. I killed everything. I sacrificed everything. I make sure na walang tatalo talaga sa akin.
Lahat may boses, lahat